Okay. I am live trading the S&P 500 futures stock market, real cash, $100 to $100,000. Here we go. Welcome in, guys. Oh, did not know it did that. Oh, I didn't know this webcam did that. Okay. Well, that's cool, I guess. Oh, sweet. I'll take it. Anyway, let's get into it. Looking for some trades here. About to actually probably get in on a trade. We'll see what happens. I'm gonna go ahead and queue up for this thing. Yeah, man, let's get into it. See disclaimer in the description of this content. Warning Cup of Trades is not responsible for trades or investments made by viewers. Trading and investing can have substantial financial risk, and it is advised to seek advice from a qualified broker or financial advisor before trading or investing. This stream is for entertainment purposes only. All right. Getting in on a trade in just a moment, guys. We're looking at the 30-minute time frame to pretty much determine when it is that I'm getting in. We'll see. Guy caught me way off guard. Was not ready for that. Oh. Ugh. Possible trade. See if we can do this. Anytime there's a low on the 30-minute time frame on the imbalance, I'm entering long. Anytime there's a high on the 30-minute time frame, going short. Have not taken a trade today yet. Not just yet. Amri, what up? Welcome in. This Arc Raiders? Yeah. Yeah, it is. Show is, man. Do I recommend it? Oh, dude. This game's insane. Like, really good. It is, like, damn good. I hate to say it, but I've put in a little bit over 250 hours in less than 2 months in this bad boy. It's a good game. Like, it's a really good game. Oh my god. I totally just missed my entry. Well, we had a trade on. I'm gonna do it now.
Order filled.
All right, guys. We're in on the first trade here with the cash account. In a minute. It's been a minute since we have actually initiated a trade, so let's see if we are able to make it happen. 94.25 is what we need. Are we able to tag that TP and get out with profit? Looking for 15 in the money. We are swooping down. Holding strong, though. Let's see if we're able to get up to it. Looking for a sweep back up from that extension of liquidity to the downside. Come on. 85.25 is the stop. We are rocking a 6-point stop loss and a 3-point take profit. Next candle's in. Moving up in the money. 1 point in the money. 2 points in the money. Almost there, almost tagging us out. 94.25 is what we need, and we are getting very close to it. All the way to it. Do we make it? On the tick. On the tick. The actual wick is right there at our TP. Ah, man. That happens so often that it just doesn't feel like a coincidence. To be completely honest, it kind of doesn't make any sense to me. How often we are getting so close to that TP. Not quite making it. Liquidity's slipping against us. Looks like we might end up losing this now. It's got to hold strong here below 90.
Stop filled.
Wow. Those are the trades that just really make me want to bash my head into the wall. I think we were one tick from the trade working. ATR is 385. I was asking for 3, so that's realistic. Very unfortunate. We were in at 91.25. We got to 94. Yeah. We were literally one tick. MC, my brother. It's been difficult to catch up lately. 12 hours ahead. Hope you and your family are well. How long is the challenge going to be going for? Any rules? Challenge could be going for years, to be honest. It just depends on how well I do. But yeah, I'm just trying to give the channel and the content a little bit of like an objective, you know. That is the goal. That's the goal to get there. It's going to be a journey, and that's what I'm sharing. It is going to be quite the journey. No particular rules, though. No particular rules. I just had to fund the account because we were at the margin requirement. Over the course of 18 trade sessions, I lost $50, which I'm pretty happy with. The account drew up to like 220, came down, drew up, came down. It was a decent run. It was a good enough run for me to feel more confident about my approach. Where is the weapon grid? Guess there isn't one.
Let's go to space travel.
I just can't believe we lost that trade. We should not have lost that. It was so close. So damn close, dude. Oh my god. Cannot stand that thing. Oh, fuck. Oh, scared me. Guy came out of nowhere, a little rat. Losing every trade since Wednesday. 150% gains, 20 days, yeah. How do I find the liquidity levels? Just previous swing. Yeah, it is like Escape from Tarkov, man. But yeah, the liquidity imbalance is based off the level 2 data that's derived from the depth of market. So it is level 2 data. It is really tracking the order flow, everything that's in the order book. And the imbalance is the difference between the bid and the ask orders. So the concept behind the approach is simply that when we move to an overextended area on the given time frame I'm looking at, which in this case is 30 minutes of data, over the course of 30 minutes of data, when we break to new highs or new lows on the liquidity, the market tends to rebalance. It rebalances the liquidity. It comes back in the money. It falls out of the money, depending on which side it's on. If we move too far in the imbalance on the bid side, essentially what happens is um, a lot of the ask side comes in. If we move too far on the ask side, a lot of the bid side comes in. Essentially, I'm just playing the back and forth of the market, and the liquidity is a good indicator of sort of figuring out where that back and forth is going to kind of pivot. I got to use ATR to assist me here. ATR is 3.8. 6. Oh, it's about average of 4 per 30 candles. So if I'm only looking for something inside the ATR of being 3 points, that's pretty realistic. The stop is inverse. It's got to be on the outside of the ATR so I don't get pieced up in the noise. Really don't have much left in the I don't really have too much left in my max day loss, which is going to be around 50 bucks. But any trending day is usually imbalance. How do you decide if market is going to rebalance? I mean, even in a trending day where it doesn't even really have a red candle, there's always going to be pullbacks in the imbalance. The price action is in direct correlation with the imbalance. There's never a situation where the imbalance is plummeting and the price isn't falling, and there's never a situation to where the price is falling when the imbalance is rising. You know what I mean? So it's almost like the price action is in direct correlation. The imbalance just allows me to see where we have been and what we have reacted to in that given time frame I'm looking at. Essentially, I'm just trading the support and resistance of the imbalance itself. If we keep trending up and we keep blowing up and we're just breaking a new high in the imbalance and it keeps on running, well, so be it. I end up losing the trade. But it's not likely that the imbalance just keeps on going up. Generally speaking, when the imbalance is reaching new levels that it hasn't seen within whatever time frame, especially in the entire session, it pulls back. It just does. The hard part about the situation is trying to figure out what's the best entry, because it could slip pretty far before it has a major pullback. That's up to the person, running it to figure out, okay, this this rule in place is going to keep me from getting in too early. Maybe you tell yourself, okay, well, I'm not going to get in until the imbalance breaks its recent local high of 1,000. And then maybe that's where you get in. I'm just playing the breaks. That's it. But it can certainly extend. That's what happened to us just earlier. But if I zoom out here, you can clearly see how the imbalance is reacting. Every time it reaches the high or just barely breaks it, or reaches a low or just barely breaks it, we have huge price fluctuation until eventually we do have a trend to where we start coming down pretty strong, right? It breaks the low of the imbalance and it keeps on going. That would have been a losing trade. There's got to be some common sense. I can't just look at the overall session because there's just too much speculation. That's why I'm kind of looking at only a given time frame, which I'm going to label as 30 minutes. 30 minutes is the time frame that I want to see. That's the data that I want to use for this approach, for the back and forth approach of the old imbalance. In my opinion, this makes a lot of sense. When you're looking at price action, you're trying to determine like why something's moving up or down. It's reacting to the bid and ask difference, the imbalance in the order book. What you're seeing here, this yellow line, is the ongoing imbalance in real time. So we're imbalanced by negative 9,000. There is no correlation with each session, too. That's what I like. Today, we might be in an imbalance of negative 5,000, fluctuating between negative 5,000 and 0. The next day, we might be positive 5,000, fluctuating between positive 5,000 and 0. Every single day is going to be different. I don't really care if we're positive or negative on the imbalance. I just care about what the market is doing when the imbalance reaches a certain area. How is the market reacting when the imbalance keeps tagging negative 5,000? Are we constantly bouncing off that? Is that the pivot area? Well, then I'm going to play that as the entry. And I'm going to scalp it for like 10 to 30 bucks. The yellow line is the ongoing imbalance, the sum and difference. It's the sum of all the bids, the sum of all the asks. Bid and ask minus each other, that's your imbalance. It's the difference between the two, and it's constantly updating. Constantly. There's a lot of stuff that I can do with it. You know, I can change it to where maybe it's only filtering certain amounts of contracts, like groups of contracts, but I'm not getting fancy with it. It's just on a one contract basis. It is just the raw order book. That's it. Oh. Ooh. So, like, for example, if we're at negative 10,000 here, I know that based on the market, from what we've seen within the past 30 minutes, when the imbalance reaches negative 10,000, we pivot, we go back up. That's what the data is showing. So when we reach that negative 10,000 and we just extend past it a little bit, it becomes overextended. And that is my conviction to make the trade and get in. And when I do get in, I'm not looking for tens upon tens of points. It's very realistic. The ATR that we're at is that little yellow ribbon with all the dots. It's 371. The average ATR in the past 30 minutes is 371. I'm only asking for 3 points. So I just need to be barely right with the smallest edge on reading the data, and it should work over the long period of time, over the long haul. If there's a slight edge there, then there's going to be a slight profit, and that's okay with me. I have already seen that this does very well just by the past 20 sessions trading live. You guys saw lots of back and forth, but tons of back and forth. But what's important is through 20 sessions, we survived with $100. I only ended losing $50 over 20 sessions. I love that. That's amazing. Give me a sec. right. Yeah. No worries, man. Shit, we just had a trade right there. Very close. I think I do need to adjust. This happens to me too much. I don't think I can use even numbers. I will on the stop loss, but not on the profit. I can do an even number on the stop loss. That's fine. But for the profit, I've got to bring it down to a tick. Got to bring it down a tick. Okay. Short setup setting up. Yeah, there was right here. Only because it was, it's our new local high. You can see how it almost went to the literal same imbalance, 69.22, 69.22, 69.06. You think that's a coincidence? I don't think so. 69.22, negative 69.22, negative 69.09. Both of these were 20 minutes apart, and the market moved from 65.93 all the way to where we are now. Like a solid 7 points, it moved down almost to the T of the previous high of liquidity here on the chart. It's not a coincidence that the market reacts like that. It truly isn't. If this approach doesn't work for me, it's not because of the approach. It's because of how I execute it. I truly, truly believe that. So now we're setting up for a long setup. Essentially, it's setting us up to probably get in around the low of day. I am a firm believer that you guys and anyone can trade a million different ways. It's all about what works and makes sense to you, you know. This is not the holy grail of strategies. It's just something that makes sense to me that I can run with. That's really it. Because at the end of the day, I don't believe in a holy grail strategy in the first place. I don't think that exists. Grenades and gadgets.
You can make most of these things yourself. Not that I mind your patronage, of course. I heard a story from an older
Look at that pop, man.
a while back.
Did it get to where we needed it to go? No.
Mountains spewing fire. I hope he was just making things up because I do not want to experience that.
That's okay. We keep waiting.
Setting some stun traps, huh? Clever.
There's no rules you can take a partial when it stalls like that. Oh, here we go. Let's see if we can do it.
Order filled.
All right, here we go. We're trying it again. Got to get to 85. Are we able to make this happen, guys? Could have had a better entry, but is what it is. I'm okay with this. 85 is what we need. Just trying to scalp for 3 points, getting in on the extension of the imbalance. And looking for a quick profit and get out. I am not trying to be greedy here. We are not looking for much. We just need that sweep back up. And we're just about at it. Bam. Tagging it. What was that, 12? That was a perfect example of what I'm trying to do. Perfect trade. Hell yeah, dude. Hopefully that makes sense to you guys who are watching. The yellow line has, just like anything, just like any graph, there is still support and resistance, even in the imbalance. When we break that support, that's a long setup. When we break the resistance, that's a short setup. It is essentially, I mean, you can swing trade this approach. You can scalp trade this approach. I should do it again. I should actually get in again. Here we go. Nope, I missed it. I should be getting in again, though. Just the game is distracting me now. That's great. What's this thing? It's actually a bummer. That's a bummer. I think this is a winning trade, probably. Yeah, it sure as hell was. We'll see if it comes back down again, but I totally just missed the entry on them because I was getting shot at by a damn wasp. That is so stupid. Hopefully it comes back and maybe it's an easier move. Yeah, here we go. Our local low is right here. It's right near us. Someone down here? Nah, we missed this entry. This was a winning trade, man. God dang it. We'll wait for the next one. There's always more setups, guys. There's no need to get upset about missing one. Oh my gosh. It's a party down here. It's a party. This guy thinks I'm friendly. Sorry, buddy. Give me all your loot. There we go. That's how we do this, boys. Poor guy. Poor guy. And my frames are dropping hard. What is happening? Why are we dropping like that? Kind of sad that we did miss that trade, though, dudes. Really am. That was such an easy entry on that low. I mean, it was very easy tagging in at 80. We would have been home free. There's no way we wouldn't have gotten out at that. So that sucks, but, you know, that's how it goes. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good. think we're done here. Oh, someone's coming in. Uh-oh. All right, so we got a jolt mine that's going to activate 2 trigger nades, pretty much knocking the person. They're not even going to survive through this, really, if they walk through this door. Need to bait them, to be honest. That was another setup right there too, guys. I don't know. Price action's feeling a little strange. I'm gonna... Dude, come on. What is this? Oh, he's looted. With nothing. I guess we can run it back. Whatever. Oh, look at that, dude. Look at that. Damn. I'll be getting bookmaps soon. I already have NT. I've had that account for I don't know how long. Hell yeah, man. Well, if you do decide, Bill, to get bookmap, use my link, man. I'd appreciate it like crazy. Helps me a ton. It really does. And it doesn't cost you anything. You just help me out. Here we go, guys.
Order filled.
I'm back in. Liquidity is swooping down. Looking for that sweep back up to 572. Just looking for the pullback. We definitely have some weakness. Liquidity is getting squirrely. When it moves fast like this, it's a little freaky because it is coming out of the money. We're going to have to bounce up. We're going to have to survive here. Yeah, this is looking weak. This is not good. Are we able to survive? No, we're not. Boys, that's going to be it. Oh my God, and look at that. Look at the rejection, dude. How does it happen to me so often that I get wicked out to the tick? Man, tough day. So you're just having maybe a little bit more patience for that low would have paid off greatly, but I don't know, man. It just got really crazy in that moment. It's 123. I mean, it wasn't really wrong. Just timing was slightly off. I just can't stand how I get wicked out so much. It drives me insane. Ay, ay, ay. Might at some point look for some confluence with the heat map. Oh, so cash right here. It's not searched. Nice. Oh, I still have my Bobcat. That's great. Yeah, this trade ends up probably getting the 3 points that we were looking for. It's already at our entry. That's the tough part about trading, man, is you know, a little bit of patience goes a long way. But at some point you got to pull the trigger, you know? Like if you hesitate for too long, you miss the trade. You get in too early, your entry's bad. There's a balance in the middle that is really tough to execute. I guess there's a little bit of intuition involved. This is how it goes sometimes, though. Today was not the best trade day. But it is what it is. I'm not going to let it bring me down. Just like before, you know, we Just like before, we would go down, we'd go up, we'd go down, we'd go up. We survived. We'll do the same. fuck is he? What? I don't know. It makes no sense. Like, what? That dude took like 5 shots. God. I should have, fuck, I don't know. That's terrible. What? What an awesome day. $69. We got it at $69.25. We went all the way to $74. Easily tagging our TP had we not been literally literally ticked out. Like when I say literally ticked out, like I actually mean literally. I want to make sure that this can be seen. Why does it do that? It's so annoying. Mm. Yeah, so our stop was a literal tick out, and I mean like a literal tick out to the tick on the wick, and then of course looking forward, the trade certainly played into fruition. If we had one more tick on the stop, we were fine, but could have gone either way, right? Could have been if we were half a second, 1 second later on the entry, it would have went wildly different. So there's a couple moving parts to it. Mm-hmm. Damn, son. Can't believe that guy beat me. It's kind of crazy. He triggered my jolt mine. Let's do it again. I think I'm gonna. Yeah, the account's locked out, guys. Kind of explained that before. The max risk here is 50 bucks a day, so my account is locked. So in order for me to keep trading, I would have to go simulation. So I'm going to switch over. I'm going to switch to the simulation. We got both selected. Now I'm going to mess around with some sim trading. Lost 50. We're going to go back to some sim trading. Oh, I forgot my stim packs. I'd be so upset. Your great impulse control emotions. Scapping on bookmap may unlock something in me though. Pure. Yeah, I mean it could be good or bad. Might be a good thing. Hopefully it's a good thing. But I mean, this isn't just I didn't just start trading, yesterday. So I've dealt with that, and like the emotions, the ups and downs, the losses, the wins. At this point, I'm just pretty desensitized to losing. Losing 50 bucks is like losing a really cheap evaluation. You can lose evals at 50 to 100 bucks just as quick too. Yep. Sorry, buddy. Any last words? Yeah, I've been there with the losing with even prop firms, like losing evaluations, like going from being very disciplined with evaluations, maybe losing one a month to losing, 5 to 10 a week, like just getting really stupid with it. I am running on all low graphics. Just to make this as crisp as possible. Because I'm just tired of messing with it. Oh, okay, there's people upstairs. For sure. Still another guy in here somewhere. Or right at the garage too. Oh, I can't move. Oh, Jesus Christ. Is no one looting this? Weird. It's like people don't know about it or something. The market is very volatile though, guys. Like, damn, we're. If you look at the larger chart, like the longer chart, that's just a zoomed out version of what I'm trading. And yeah, well, yeah, we've moved 100 points. That's no joke. Like we are moving. That is for damn sure. A 100 points in the S&P 500. That is a lot. That's a $500 move if you're trading one micro contract. That's a lot. That is a damn lot. I guess we're pretty looted. We got a bobcat and an anvil. Got some weapons. What? Right here, dude. What the hell? Okay. It's about to be a war. Is the train closed? Oh no. We're stuck. Should I just kill this guy?
Head home at the Western Station.
This is gonna be really fucked up, but I'm gonna kill this guy. Oh, it's gonna be so mean. Oh, it's so mean. I feel so bad. Oh, I feel bad. I feel bad, guys. It's pretty looted. I feel bad. I shouldn't have done that. Man, I have like just trash. I will take these though. I'll leave all that for the next guy. Hmm. That was that was messed up, dog. I feel bad. I've never felt so bad about taking someone out in Arc. That guy he didn't mess with me at first. And then I just lit him up at the train with the damn jolt mine. Well, this is our trade.
Order filled.
Let's watch it work like a charm, huh? While we're sim trading. Because that's how it always goes, boys. Sim trading is so easy. Almost 100% guarantee I win this. I'll put 99.999% chance we win. Because I'm sim trading. Wow, that's crazy, Bill. Oh my goodness, that guy was looted, dude. 45K. Oh.
Target filled.
Oh yeah, perfect trade, huh? Couldn't have been a more perfect trade. Of course. Wow, look at that. Look at that price movement. This is actually a really good short for me. But I missed it. I missed the wick. See if we can get it again. No, I missed that. Here it is.
Order filled.
Kind of jumped in that a little early. I had a wasp on me in game. I had to get the hell out. But we're trading sim, which means it's probably going to win. It's probably going to work. We are definitely in the mix, boys. That's already been looted. Kind of. Something extra. Trash can's my favorite. My favorite thing to loot. Uh, yeah, look at this trade just balling out, dude. So easy to trade. On sim. Stupid easy. Why is no one... Why does no one loot this? I don't get it. It's like a guaranteed weapon crate.
Target filled.
Yeah, of course that worked, right? One thing's for sure, dude. I feel like I found the strategy I want to play. Just doesn't mean it's going to win all the time. I gotta just be okay with that. think I might be coming in. Oh, this is a trade.
Order filled.
Perfect entry. Why is it so easy to trade on Sim, dude? It drives me up the wall. It's just so stupid. So stupid how easy it is to execute my strategy on Sim. It's truly just unluckiness. I mean, I'm executing it the same way. There's nothing different about it. It's just how it goes. Like, I don't know. It's not like when I'm getting in with cash, my entries are really much different. There's not any more hesitation. It's just so it just works out so much easier on Sim. You know what it might have to do with? Entries are actually just better. I don't know if you guys know this, but when you are trading with a prop firm or you're trading on a Sim account, executions of trades are immediate. There's no delay. You're getting an immediate fill the moment you press those keys. Damn it. Ah. Still headed, I guess. Hey, what was that? All right, buddy boy. Oh, hey, look, another trade. See if that one works too. Oh. Oh, oh, oh. I don't want that here. Ah. Oh, I have these. Nice. Got like nothing, dude. I don't have enough to kill it, I don't think. Someone's really shooting at me. Really, God. Wait, can I craft in game? Need chemicals? Wow.
All raiders, we have ARC on screen. 5 minutes left. Go find a way home. I repeat, 5 minutes. Head home at the train station hatch. Let's head home at the collapsed store hatch.
This is not good, dude. Got a leg. Oh, nice. Oh my God. Of course he would be right there. Actually curious. No, that doesn't work. I was like, maybe it works. Well, of course, we just win this trade for the 4th time in a row.
Target filled.
There we go. Another one. 4 in a row. We lost 50 on the live account. We've won 50 in the sim account. Go figure. Coincidence? I don't know. It's a little interesting. It's a little interesting. It's a little annoying, to be honest. I think I was just trading. Both of my trades in the live account were just a tad too volatile, you know? Just a tad too volatile. I am going to bring in a deadline so we can kill this damn Bastion. How about that? Comet Igniter. Don't got one of those. Let's go buy one. Let's get some shields. Let's get this. What am I doing? What am I doing? Where am I at? Where am I at? Alright, cool.
Looking to make some noise. You've come to the right garage.
That's all we need. Bring one of these. We bring a little locator. We bring a little dead mine. Everything else will fall in place just right. That's I mean, that's really all we're gonna need. A little quick repair on that. Yeah, let's do it again, boys. Cold snap. Can only take so many payouts for getting moved alive, yeah. MFF 100K account. Milk days are kind of over. Yeah. I don't know, maybe it's best that I did dip out of the old prop firms a while back. I'll probably be back though. If I mess around with the prop firm, it'll be called, it'll be the Funded Next prop firm. I think they're pretty legit. Don't want any damn candleberries, dude. I do feel, whether we lost today or not, you know, I mean, it's a red day. On the live account, we're down 50. We're up 50 here in the sim. I really still, like, I truly am still confident in my approach. I'm not going to get to a point to where I'm bashing my approach because, you know, I had like a bad day or something. At this point, trying to get in again. No. At this point, I feel good enough about the approach that I can keep running with it. I understand that drawdown is just part of the game. There's someone in here. Holy shit, that guy just walked right by me.
Damn, that's a quick reload.
GG, man. Yeah, Venator.
Order filled.
Jesus. Took forever to get that. Let's watch it win for the 5th time in a row, guys. On the old sim account. Too easy. Yeah, please lose. I actually want it to lose. Kind of pissing me off. Go ahead and just lose. It's kind of genius. No one would see that. I was pretty sure that there was a guy in here. Oh, look, our trade's going to win again. What do you know? Guess there wasn't. Huh? a little irritating, guys, when the old sim does very well like that. Oh, nice. Oh my god, security breach too? This room is amazing. How far are we? I cannot believe we're going to win this trade too. Where is this? This is near the highway. It's near the supply call station. Okay. I don't think I can get that back, actually. Shit, dude. Wow, that's great. Safety firm gave you 7% drawdown each day. Damn, that's kind of crazy. Yeah, things have seemed to, prop firms are already kind of strict. And they've just gotten more strict, is what it feels like, so. Someone down here. Dude, everyone sleeps in this room. It's crazy. Yep. Shit, I'll take all this. Just came here for the weapon crate. And I missed like half the other stuff. Oh, look at that drop. There's our bastion. We can hear that boy out there. Oh shit! Buddy, you gotta work on that. GG. God, that guy was terrible. Didn't really have anything. The guy right there.
Stop filled.
Oh, we lost. Yay. Make me feel a little bit better about the old sim account working too well. Need medium ammo.
Alright, cool, cool. I saw the Rocketeer here was on you. I was gonna come help. I ain't gonna lie, bro. You better not come outside. Yeah, he's after somebody.
Arkansas Hoggies. Not Hoagies? Oh, what's up? Hello, sir.
What's up, Raider? What's
There's
up,
another
brother?
guy on the stairs, too. Supposedly builder, Lady Grady.
You see
Order
what I can
filled.
hear from downstairs? I could jump on top of him. I'm right next to him.
Let me see, let me see.
Alright, okay. Alright, hold on. Hide. Hold on. Oh, shit. He sees me. No. 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 It's your imagination. You don't know that I'm here. Oh, nice.
Oh, it's a dead body. That's probably
You're gonna
nothing.
get closer. Oh, lordy bee.
Hell is it, dude?
Why the fuck are you looking at me? Holy shit! Why are you looking at me? I didn't. Damn. Oh my goodness. Hold on. Okay.
Okay.
They're above. Yeah, these dudes are right above.
Stop
No
filled.
wonder I'm losing health.
Order filled.
He is right above me. I am going to jump on this rocketeer. It's the last thing that I do. Here, let me see that drop.
I think I'm gonna go up here and just kill everybody. Yeah, he has no idea that I'm here.
Lower yourself, motherfucker. Okay. Look. God, chill, bro. I'm literally on a free loadout, you fucking faggot. You're not gonna get
All right,
anything. Enjoy the fucking stitcher, you fucking fag bag.
he's mad.
There's a rat on the roof, gentlemen. Be careful from the rat on the roof. He's trying to get some cheese. Hey, come in, you faggot. Come and kill me. You might as well. Come in. Enjoy. Oh, look at you, you fucking fat. Can't hope you get syphilis.
Hey man, have a good day, buddy.
Get him. I got him. Nice. Watch out.
How'd y'all see the jolt mine? Did it pop off or no? Uh-oh.
He's right behind us. Oh,
Dude, I don't know if they'll be able to actually get me.
okay, I'm going for it.
No, it killed me. Yo, sorry about the language on that guy. That
Filled.
you know, sometimes people get extremely mad. I mean, that guy wished that I got terrible disease because I killed him in a video game. And he had a free loadout, which means he lost nothing. I don't know. Some people, man, they get so mad. I'm at least glad I killed that guy. Who was that? I need to... I don't know. People like that are talking like that in game need to just be reported.
Order filled.
It's intense though. I love it. We had some good loot. We had some really good loot, and I lost it. But that's okay, you know, because I can literally just build more. Just build more. All right, what's ATR at right now? 392. So we're still rocking. I think we're still rocking a good 6-3. That's fine by me. Damn, it would have been nice. If I had the shotgun, I might have been able to take all the dudes. But it is what it is.
Order filled.
Good trade right here. Second entry. Halo 2 and 3 VoIP kind of vibes. Yeah. Some people are just like unhinged, dude. Like, you gotta calm down, buddy. We got one of the wins. Nearly there.
Stop filled.
Okay. Damn, dude, the market is freaking sliding. That is like scary. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this is a little scary. 6-month low in the NASDAQ. The S&P return is negative 5%.
Stop filled.
Damn, we just got killed in 2 trades. That's crazy. What's strange is like, why is the S&P? I guess we just got this little relief right now. Little tiny relief rally. Damn. And surely that's not gonna last. Awesome keys. Awesome bandages. Awesome jolt mines. What is this? All right. Let's do it.
You'd venture out at a time like this? You must really want some cash. Let's move to that location. It's been frostbite for them.
Did not bring what I meant to bring. Got a guy right here. He's got the upper hand. Pretty sure he just got killed. This is our spot. Oh my god, dude, I didn't bring a jolt mine either. What am I doing? Oh. Ooh. It's a fancy one right there. A weapon crate. It's crazy. the guy right there. Firework box? Okay. Wait, there's no gun crates. Stupid.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Stupid dude. Not a bad run, actually, to just get out with.
Head home at the collapsed door hatch.
Didn't bring a damn hatch key? What the hell am I
We're
doing,
headed home at
man?
the northern station.
keeping. Oh, fuck.
Where the fuck do you think you're going, you fucking rat? I knew you're a fucking extract rat.
Extract rat? No, I was trying to extract. Damn it. Oh well. We got out. Damn, dude, that guy wrecked me. Caught me way off guard. He's on the other side. Well, we got some more gun blueprints. That's always nice. Got a new blueprint firework box. Cool. That's cool.
Order filled.
Dang, the liquidity really keeps pushing further. It's been interesting to see this activity. Market is very weird. It's very volatile and odd right now. It's actually like pretty strange. Oh. Damn it, I lost 2 keys. I lost another key. Kind of need to go get some arc. Start bringing 3. Save myself some shields. Damn, I lost my my hatch key too. All right, what's the ATR right now? 5? Wow, so we could go. I could go 7, 7-3. I'll go 71. Dang, man. What a very crazy low. And a lot of people bought that up. I mean, the market moved already 50 points. S&P moved 50 points off that low. That's a crazy low. This market is
Truck filled.
it ain't looking too hot. The Nasdaq pulled back 0.5%. S&P pulled back 0.5%. Sensors. I need sensors.
Got something for me? I like this.
Gonna need some metal. I'm gonna try and get in there and get some metal. You took one of my photo quotes too. All right, guys, got another one. I'll be right back. Use your restroom real quick. Never mind, I can wait. Let's see if that ends up working. I'm trying to scale the chart correctly here. Just curious to see how that, if it actually stays center. That'd be cool if it did. I think it will. I think it should. Okay. Jesus.
Go to that location. Go to that location.
Order filled.
Oh, that's kind of perfect. I kind of want that, the ball. Oh, bro. Yeah. Cool, nothing. This is actually better. One time, dude. Should I fight him? I know where he is. play this strategically. Just gonna be right behind that car. Didn't even hit me once.
Godspeed.
GG, man.
GG's. GG's. Yeah, what the hell did he kill me with? A couple fucking button there?
It was a Berletta, man.
Stop filled.
That guy just wasn't good. Look at that. Pretty much got my shit back from last game. Guy had a volcano. How did he let me win? That's crazy. Maybe he wasn't familiar with it. Give him the benefit of the doubt. Yeah, we can't win a trade right now. It's kind of crazy, actually. Kind of crazy. It's gonna follow the red bubble.
Order filled.
I want to follow the red bubble and see what happens from the top. Because there's... I'm going to play around with it. We're in sim, we're playing around with stuff. There's a scenario to where using the volume bubbles as confluence to the scout. There's a scenario to where that could work. I don't know if I'm going to implement that or when I'm going to implement that, but it is kind of an idea. That's what sim is good for, experimenting and whatnot. That's what we'll do. We'll play around with that. Magnet right there. I really want to kill a... Need some alloy, man. I want to go kill a bastion. Way too much ammo. Little despot. Pretty sure I'm not tripping, right? There was a guy here. Or am I tripping? I think I'm just tripping out. Yeah, I don't know, man. We should just get out. It's fine.
Target filled.
All right, well, that worked really well. Like I said, there is a scenario to where I will use the confluence of the bubbles with the imbalance, but I don't know when or if I'm gonna apply that. That's a good entry though, all in all. Damn, that was sick. I just killed that in one hit. All right, let's go to the train. I'm sure homeboy's gonna be down there too. Now. What? I'm gonna try it. So
Order
I'm gonna
filled.
try this for the hell of it. Just we got selling volume in the bubbles. We're at the top of the liquidity. I think we're gonna pull down. I'll just speculate on a longer hold here, possibly. We'll see what it does. I'm curious. I'm just playing around. I think that we're probably gonna drop a little. Just based on the volume, that's really it. It's a 7-point gap. Yeah, there it goes. All right, take a quick break. I'll be back. Actually, it's already 3:24. I didn't realize it was so late. Yeah.
Target filled.
You know what, man? I
Order
still
filled.
feel good about making another trade on that. Selling volume, top of the liquidity. Go. The heat map will be something that I play around with a little bit in the future. I don't know when I'll implement that or if I do, but it'll be interesting. Everything I'm doing is pretty much based off of bookmap level 2 data. So, guys, that's pretty much it. I don't really have much else on the day. We messed around with sim. We were up, we were down, we are down. Played around with a couple little things. But for the most part, we lost on the day. We lost $50, which is my max day liquidation. So, is what it is. Sometimes we have days like this. We got pretty decent cushion in the account. So, as long as we don't lose 3 more days in a row, which is very unlikely, then we're good. We'll keep on trucking. So I'll see you guys in the next one, man. See y'all Monday. Hope y'all have a good weekend. Take it easy. And join the Discord. Check out Bookmap. Use my link in the description. Check out Ninja Trader, the broker and charting platform I use. Sign up. Get a free 14 days of real-time data with level 2 so you can play around with it. Using my links helps me a ton. I appreciate all that greatly. Thank you. And I'll see y'all Monday. Peace out.